Today is 5/22/2024. I am reviewing the SPY. Today's SPY trading is, I would say, it's very awesome. Bulls and bears, both sides should be able to make money. Either it's going long or going short. You should pick up profit. Let's look at the downside. If you go short for today, look at that. As I said, my favorite strategy, right? On 1 minute, 2 minute time frame, it happens again. The 50 moving average cross 200 moving average. It happened, right? Both sides cross first time, and the 2 minute it cross, even drop further down on the 2 minute time frame. I would say you can pick up at least 1 point if you went short, for sure 1 point. And I said yesterday, the 10-day moving average hasn't been tested for 13 days, including 2 days of 14 days. So far, 13 days, 10-day moving average hasn't been tested. So it did happen today. Almost went all the way down, had a sell off, small slight sell off, all the way down to the 10-day moving average. 10-day moving average now support. Okay, and then also the last week, 3 weeks bar ago, and 527 is a support. I said it right here. I think I drew this line. 527.06. This one is a support. So it's perfect. It hit around area there. I would say 10-day moving average was tested today. Close enough, right? It's good enough. You have to be more accurate than including today. That means 10-day moving average hasn't been tested for 14 days, including today. You're going to be exact. So most likely, tomorrow it should be touched. So let's see what happened today. The trading, as I said, the 50 moving average cross 200. It happened on 1 minute, 2 minute time frame. Even on 2 minute time frame, had a sell off, and then we hit the support around almost close to 10-day moving average at the 528 level, a little bit below. That's a 10-day moving average. Okay. And for up there resistance, I said yesterday, right? We tried 1, 2, 3 tops. So it didn't break above. It didn't break above, it must go down. So today it went down. That's pretty awesome, right? So, but still not a big sell off. We got support below. We got 10-day and 20-day. So lots of support below it. So let's see what happens tomorrow. For now, let's see. Okay, again, look at the SPY. Now, if based on the simple strategy, always a simple strategy. So for the simple strategy on 1 minute time frame, 50 should be able to cross. 50 moving average should be able to cross above 200 tomorrow, or even 2 minute time frame. Let's see how far it will go up. Okay, if it retry the top again tomorrow, 1, 2, 3 times been tested already. If try one more time, if it still didn't break above, it will roll over. If it gets rejection up here again, watch out. That means we're falling apart. Definitely we're close below probably 10 days. If it breaks above, we're gonna have a new high. So watch out tomorrow. Tomorrow's minutes, the Fed minutes release. The reason the market had a small sell off because of the minutes It's a hawkish tone saying the rate cuts might not happen in June. That's why market dropped. And tomorrow we have an initial jobless claims. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Okay. Let's look at support resistance now. Now, for today's trade, even using the simple strategy, just based on small one, you should be able to pick up at least 1 point or more. Okay, I think you should. For me, I picked up about 2 points already. So for this one, even didn't get all the way low, you should be able to pick up at least 1.5. Right? When we see a pattern like this, usually that means we'll turn around. I'm not here to discuss pattern. This is something else. I think you can do it yourself. All the pattern here when you. Okay, every time we see a pattern, once the patterns break, it create a new trend. So you know what to do, right? Every time you create a pattern, once it has a breakout, it's a new trend, and this one, and this one. So when you hit the bottom, this close enough. This should be the bottom of the day because it hit a major support close to the 10-day moving average below. It didn't fall, so this is definitely it's a bottom. And look at it. I know it looks ugly, but look at it. All right, W shape. Can you see it? And then we hit major support. That's a bottom. If it went long, you should be able to pick up at least, I would say 1 point, or not 1 point, at least, half point. That's pretty good profit when you have a multiple contracts. Okay, I'm not getting into the detail of the pattern because it's pretty easy to identify. You can do it. Okay, let's talk about the support resistance now. Now, let's look at the Dow Jones. Look at the Dow Jones here. Dow Jones is pretty obvious. Lower low, lower high. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the last past 4 bars, candlestick bar. Lower low, lower high. And today, even hit and closed below 10-day moving average for the Dow Jones. But for the SPY, it still hasn't tested the 10-day moving average. It's just close to it. So Dow Jones has been the leader this year, always ahead of SPY and QQQ. So always ahead of SPY and triple Q. So look for a signal from the Dow Jones. So Dow Jones looks like it will go further down a little bit. Don't know yet. Maybe it could be a sideways tomorrow. Okay, let's look for the support resistance for SPY. But SPY is still not touch 10-day moving average. So watch out tomorrow. For the support, tomorrow should be about 530. Now this is a magenta color line. This is a 5-day moving average. The green line is a 10-day moving average. Okay. So probably tomorrow will be trading within the 5-day and 10-day moving average. As long as it doesn't break above, have a new high. Once it break here, we're gonna have a new high. That means another probably 2 or 3 points up there. At least 3 points up, for resistance. So as long as stays below the new high of this year, it should be kept between 5-day moving average and 10-day moving average. So you identify the support resistance first, and also look at the SPY here. Based on the simple strategy, my favorite always I use 50 should cross above 200. So most likely tomorrow it will probably retest the high of this year again, which is 530, yeah, 531 area, or a little bit above. So watch out, see we have a breakout, either it has a false breakout or real breakout for tomorrow. Don't forget Monday is a holiday, so it's going to be wild tomorrow. Okay, for now, major support should be 10 days moving average. Worst case, probably fill the gap here. There's a gap. I would say the worst scenario should be right here. That is the worst scenario in my opinion. I don't think it will go hit 20-day moving average. I doubt it. Okay. If tomorrow gap down, you know what to do, right? Always buy low, sell high. If it gaps down, you know what to do. If it gap up, have a new high, you have to be watching. You have to be careful. All right. Good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.